Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to attach one file to the case using an activity. In my last video I have explained about the how to create a case using an activity. Extension to that, I just want to attach one file to the case, okay, using an activity. Okay. um, so let me open my same activity. Okay. So create a case using an activity as usually. uh, Page new. This is ins case. To this case only I am going to attach the file. First thing here, there are total three steps. First thing, create a case, that is completely individual. Second step, create attachment instance, that is completely individual. Now the third step is map or link this attachment to the already created case, that is third steps. Total three steps. Now the first step is page new ins case. Okay. Property set py start case organization sbi work page etc. And this property set, just I am initializing some loan amount 10,000. Leave it about this last step. I think this is not required. Okay. Now the first step, after that I'm just calling this svc add work object, passing the parameter page. Now this step is completed. Now at the step number 5 the work object got created. Now after that I want to create a one attachment instance. There is no relation between this attachment with the case initially. Try to understand. I'm going to create a one attachment instance. Now page new attachment page. Go to the pages and classes. This is ins case insurance claim, and this is the attachment page. Data work attach file. All the attachments will be saved into the okay, pc data underscore work attach table. Okay. Now this is attachment page. Now attachment page contains the file name and attachment data, who created, when created, okay, etc. And also the reference key. I'll show you. Now after this is a page new attachment page. I am initializing the data to the attachment page. Now I map attachment file. I created a one data transform. Now what I am doing here, I am updating the values. To this attachment page, because the attachment page is contains, it is a data work attach file, right? Data work attach file. So I am updating the values to this page, to this instance. Now attachment page updating. Px attachment name, the name is hello.pdf. px created name, px creator operator, and py note is also hello.pdf. You can give it whatever the file name you want. And a reference object key and a ref object key is py workpage dot pzins key. Ref object key is py workpage dot pzins key. Okay. This attachment is referring to which pzins key of the case. Which case? This attachment is referring to which case? Okay. Now the py workpage dot pzins key. Now see this one here, py attachment stream. This is important, right? Usually this is nothing but a attachment data or attachment content. Now what I did is here, uh, I have taken one attachment file. I have taken one sample attachment file pdf, converted that pdf into base 64. For example, convert pdf to base 64 online. You can use this any one of the online site, uh, base 64 guru. So now you can look, just you can choose any one of the file, and you can convert encode a pdf to base 64. Now you will get the base 64 data, and I'm just copy paste this into my py attach stream, and after that click on save, now come back to your main activity, apply data transform. After that you have to save the attachment page, attachment page. Now the attachment page got also created, that instance also got created. Now the second step is completed. Now the third step is you have to link this attachment to the case. We have a OOTB activity, px link attachment to the case. To which case you have to mention that step page, py work page, or when you expand this OOTB activity, what is the work INS key? PZ INS key of the case. Here the SVC add work object is created one case, right? Insurance claim case. So you are going to attach your attachment to that case, right? That is the PZ INS key. That case PZ INS key. Now attach INS key. Attach INS key means already you created one attachment. That attachment INS key. That's why attachment page dot PZ INS key. Now add history. If you want to write some history, add history true. And if you want to audit note, what is the audit note? Audit history note, attachment added to this case. And if you want to commit, just select the commit. This px link attachment to the case will returns the link INS key. It will returns the link INS key. Just click on save. Now action, run. Before running, now see the how many number of instances of this insurance claim. I8009. When I run this activity, success, open, just refresh. I8010, open this case. Case got created first, attachment got created next. After that, attachment is linked to the case. Now see here, this attachment contains hello.pdf. The moment case got created itself, I have attached one case. Sorry, I have attached one document to the case. Now just open this hello.pdf. What it contains? See this one. I have attached this file to this case. Now see the clipboard structure. Okay, py work page, px case related content, see this one link attachment, pjdins key link attachment, SBI, etc. And it is referring to data work attach. It is referring to px linked, refer to data work attach file, SBI loan, etc. Data work attach, SBI loan, etc. Now if you want see this one, content page data work attach file, see content PDF. Okay, now so like this. Okay, so this is the clipboard structure. This PGDNSK link attachment, and link attachment is referring to data work attach file. Similarly, if you want, you can add n number of attachments as well. So just here in the map attachment file here, update page, right? Similarly, you can create a one more attachment and you can attach to the case. You can create a one more attachment and you can attach to the case. Now what I am doing this time, I am updating with this time I am updating with Excel file, sorry, or PDF file with a different name. PDF file with a different name. Now SBI loan.pdf, SBI loan.pdf. Now delete. Now I am selecting. Before selecting, I just want to show you the original file. Just take a simple file because otherwise okay. mm, mm, because all these are sizes are having more than. Okay, let's take this file which is having very less size. Mm, or you can generate a PDF online also. Sample PDF, because in my document I don't have much files. I think you can try from your end because I have taken already one PDF converted into that base 64 sample PDF. Okay, I'm just downloading. Okay, desktop, on desktop I'm downloading. Now again I'm converting that into. Okay, this is my sample PDF. Convert to base 64 and I am taking this one copied. Now here I am putting, just click on save. Now SBI loan.pdf, right? Now come back here, click on actions and run the case again. Okay, success. Now open the insurance claim instances, this time 11. Open the case instance. See, this one is having SBI loan.pdf. Open this. See, this is a sample file. So like this you can attach a file to the case using an activity, uh, but in the real time sometimes you can, people will upload that. But if there is a way, such a requirement, I think this video will be helpful for you to attach a file to the case. Very simple. Insurance case, and this is the attachment page. Now first case got created using the svc add work object. Now after that, in the map attach file, here this is the attachment page, attachment name and attachment stream. Here is encoded base 64 encoded code, base 64 encoded code. And this is the reference key, PVA work page of PZINS key. Why? Because how you get this value, already before this apply data transform itself, you created a work object. You created a work object, right? See this one, the work page is a PZINS, the work page is a PY work page. Now this PY work page contains that PZINS key value. That's why I am using the same thing, reference key, pxref object key, py workpage.pgdins key, who created this one, etc. Now after that you are just saving the attachment page, obj save with the attachment page, obj save with attachment page. Now the I am linking this attachment page to the case. To which case? So see this one, px link attachment to the case. This is the OOTB activity. px link attachment to the case. See the history. This API creates a link attach entry for the given work objects ins key and data work attach ins key, used to create a link attachment for a given work object and data attachment. Okay. Now what is this activity expecting? Work ins key. To which case you want to link the work attachment? pz ins key. Which pz ins key? Already this insurance case pz ins key, py work page. Now attachment ins key, you need that attachment ins key, right? Attachment page dot ins key. So actually this link attachment will act as a mediator between your case and your attachment. Your case and your attachment. So your case is referring to link attachment and the link attachment is referring to data work attach file. So add history true, and this is the attachment added to. Now you have to commit this. You have to commit is selected. If true, save the link attachment immediately. Now if you open this as well, see the history. Where is the audit history? View history. See item created, assignment 1 to admin complete the task, attachment added to this case, attachment added to this case SBI loan dot PDF. So here actually what I have given, attachment added to this case. So the same has been, because you selected add a history is true, right? So in this way you can add an attachment to the case using an activity. Thank you.